Hey everybody, Pretty Bird's back. Pretty Bird, can you say hi to your flock? Say hi, Pretty Bird flock. Yeah. Pretty Bird is hungry, so we're gonna give Pretty Bird a cucumber. Oh, yum. Pretty Bird loves cucumbers. Look at that. Num 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 num. She's the loudest eater when she eats cucumbers. And by the way, this is her nest. Yes, I know it's improvised. But it makes for easy cleanup, dispose of, and she gets a new one every month or so. It's right next to my bed. Literally, this is my mattress. So she stretches her head right here onto my mattress and sleeps. Num num. Look at her go to town. Do you love the cucumber juice? Yes, you do. Num num. Yum yum. You tell everybody you love cucumbers? Pre-Bert, say cucumber. Cucumber? Do you want cucumber? Num nums? Num num. Oh, and by the way, that blue, like, little bowl you see over there in the corner, that you can all see, is like her grains basically that she has access to throughout the day. It's a combination with like a little bit of let's see, there's a little bit of oatmeal in there, but there's let's see, we have the growth food in there, which is a little bit in there, and then we have the adult version of the food for waterfowl, and then we have some seeds in there, and we have let's see what else. We have some small little rocks or gravel in there, which is important for the digestive system. They need it. And let's see, what else do we put in your food? Oh yeah, and then we have scratch in there, which is basically like corn and like little seeds and things like that. Yeah, your num nums, right? You want to get some more num nums? You want some more num nums? No, that's my hand. Get your num nums. No? Are you all done? Are you all done, Pretty Bird? Are you all done? Num num. No? No more num nums? Good girl. Was that so good? Did you like it? Yeah. Pre-Bird loves the cucumbers. Yes, she does. You need to go drink some water. Go get your water. Yes, go get your water. Go get num nums. Go on. Go drink. Go get your water. Go on. She's like, I don't wanna. Oh, and this is where she falls asleep, right here. That's my nightstand. Yeah. Go get your water. Num 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 num. No. That's how she watches TV. She lays her head right there and stares at the TV and falls asleep. Pretty Bird, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. She's shaking off everything that's stuck in her beak right there. Yes. Did you eat too fast? Yeah. Yeah. Alrighty. You need to go blow your nose in your water. Yes, waterfowl do that. They blow their nose in the water. That's why it's very important that they have water that is deep enough, a bowl that is deep enough for them to fit their entire head into, which this one is. All right, Goose Goose. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. No, you're not done. Bye-bye.